My name's Alexa Edelist. I'm in my 4th year at the London Centre for Psychodrama. I'm a senior diploma student. And this weekend I'm attending with my fellow colleagues an open access weekend which is focusing on one-to-one psychodrama psychotherapy and looking especially at role as a way of being. I've been in private practice with one-to-one clients as a trainee therapist for just over a year now, and I'm absolutely passionate about using the method in one-to-one practice. There's just something so exciting for me, particularly given that I come from a theatre directing background, at teasing out the complexity of the individual by looking at the different roles that they embody in their day-to-day life and looking at the different interventions through action. And something that we're doing a lot on this weekend is looking at the various techniques that can enable that to come about. Working in miniature, using small objects to represent different parts of the self, using specific psychodrama tools and objects like the Communicube or the Communiwell, and working with role-taking and role reversal in the one-to-one setting as well. It's so exciting to see how these elements of theatre can be transformed into something so directly therapeutic. It's a huge benefit for me as a practitioner as well to explore these together with colleagues who are all working in different kinds of settings, sometimes even with different kinds of modalities, because in our open access weekend we welcome guests to the London Centre as well as our full-time trainees. So do please join us for an upcoming psychodrama, psychotherapy, open access, training practice or experiential weekend. It would be so lovely to meet you. You can find out more information about our upcoming themed weekends by going to the London Centre for Psychodrama website, which is at www.londoncenterforpsychodrama.org. And do look for us also on Facebook and on Instagram as well. We hope to see you soon.